to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, and we would like to take you on a tour of San Antonio, Texas. Let's go! We're going to be doing a hop-on, hop-off bus. So basically you go around the city and you stop at different stops. So
yeah, let's go.
I used to bang it on the head drum, but I am sorry, it was just for fun. I used to play a little ping pong. I gotta tell you, it was just for fun. And here I go, catch you later. So very nice to meet your neighbor. What can I say? I'm underrated.
We are back in Mexico. You see the little flags behind me? This is called Market Square. So it's, well, I'm not exactly 100% sure, but Market Square. It's a market, and I'm sure it's going to be similar to what we saw in Mexico.
Mexico it's $1. In the United States it's 10. So
$10 US for that drink.
It's a little bit confusing.
I guess we should have asked before what the cost was of one drink. I wasn't expecting a $10 US drink.
So there was a guy who came in the 1800s from Germany, and he built a factory of wheat to make flour. Well, I mean corn or something to make flour. Anyways, well, he built his house right beside it. So.
And the mill, he made it look like a castle.
Yep.
Not sure if you can see it behind there, but that's it right there. So his home is now turned into a restaurant and a museum that you can go and see. And at one point, his tower, where the mill was one of the tallest buildings in all of San Antonio.
So this area, they used to call it the Little Rhine because of all the German families that came.
This area here in San Antonio hosts all the big, beautiful homes, and there's basically a lot of wealth in this whole surrounding area.
But I started thinking after you, we could be made for each other, more than just lovers. But I guess that we will never know, 'cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, 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 ooh,
Okay, so the hop-on, hop-off bus is definitely a great way to see everything if you only have a short amount of time and you want to see everything. You get off, you get on, perfect way.
So this area that we are entering into right now is called the Pearl, and apparently there's a beautiful hotel, so we're gonna go see it. This is beautiful, this whole area. Look at that. It's like industrial, old, new, just gorgeous. What a beautiful spot to come and see. Okay guys, this is the best place we've ever stayed in, to be honest. And I picked beets out of their garden. And so I made a really delicious beet soup. There's carrots in our spaghetti pasta dish from their garden. It's just amazing. Okay, here goes nothing. It's gonna be so good. I did already. So if you guys want to know, 12 and under are free, adults are $10, and it's well worth the visit. There's beautiful art inside and a lot of history about the Alamo and just history about Texas in general.
So something interesting is the olden day Walgreens used to say Walgreen, not Walgreens.
Do you know why?
Why?
Why, Julia?
Because it was actually one of the very first ones. That's why I don't know have the S at the end.
Yeah, so that's why it says Walgreen.
We just saw a cowboy. He actually had a real gun in his pocket.
Oh my gosh.
And he had the hat, he had the... What do you call that?
I don't
Catch
even
the
know.
horses, everything.
All right guys, next stop is the Buckhorn Museum and Saloon. Let's go see what this is all about. So back in the day when the people used to come here to the saloon to have a glass of whiskey or a beer, they would sometimes play with the buckhorns. That's why there's
so they had
such...
to use the horns, and that's how they have all these chairs and all these things.
Yes, and they used to make these beautiful chairs out of them. So this one lady, she made art out of rattlesnakes. So you see that behind me?
The rattlesnake.
That's, yeah, the art out of the rattlesnakes. Honest to God, you guys, if you like to see this kind of animal everything, he has a collection of every single kind of animal you can possibly think of or imagine. This section here is basically kind of like a believe it or not. So they have things like this, a mermaid. Is it real or is it not? Then they have these albino animals. They have all kinds of like just weird and wacky things. I'm totally fun walking in here. Let me shoot.
Oh my goodness. I can't even get up. No, wait, there's like a haunted house. Mysterious box. It's creepy. Watch this. Come on, girls. Come in there.
Are you girls in the Old West?
Yeah, we are. Oh, they call us the Wicked Barber Shop. I'm calling this the Wicked Barber Shop. His outfit has blood all over it.
Oh no. Guys, this museum's amazing. Honestly, it has now this whole western area to go explore. It's really, really cool.
So this car is Bonnie and Clyde's.
Actually, stop trying to rob the bank.
I know the code. So it's been a long day today, and now we're about to go to the rodeo. So it's going to be really fun and exciting because we have never been to a rodeo. So it's going to be really cool.
So a cold front came in, and it's like literally 60 degrees out, 60 Fahrenheit, which is like nearing, I don't know, I want to guess like 16? And we're frozen, and we're wearing shorts. Ah! I'm just hoping hoping that with all the people here, because this place is packed, guys, there's so many people, I'm hoping that it's just gonna feel warmer and the wind will like die down a little bit. We are at the rodeo. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Riding cowboy. Because it's not cold enough, I'm getting a cold beer. 50. We are at a rodeo in Texas. I would have never thought this ever. What's gonna happen? Just when we didn't know what was gonna happen, they were riding little lambs. Today we're doing something special. We're at a very special place. It's called Morgan's Wonderland. And if you've never heard of it, well, we're going to show you around. It's really close if you're in San Antonio or even close to Austin. It's only about an hour away. And what's special about this park is it's all created and made for people with special needs and their families and such. And so everything in this park is fully wheelchair accessible. They have really cool programs because they opened up now a water park. The whole park here is 20 acres and then the water park is another 5 acres. And they have even wheelchairs that are waterproof. So if some of the kids want to do the water rides and such, they do provide for free waterproof wheelchairs. And they have it kind of like a valet service where you bring in your chair and they exchange it, and it's all on measurement and stuff like that. So for everyone to be able to enjoy fully the whole experience.
To go into Wonderworld Park, and apparently there's like a petting zoo, a cave, and a train, so it's gonna be fun.
Here we go. We are going through the caves here at Wonderworld, and we haven't done this in a while, so this is kind of fun.
It's the anti-gravity house. So what we're about to do is we're gonna go feed deers and ostriches and different birds.
Okay. Scoot over. Scoot over. I'm a little bit worried.
museum, and apparently it's really fun for kids. So let's go. Academy was one of our favorite activities at the Doseum Museum because we spent hours there figuring out all these codes, and we even got to dress up. Where we came in. They have a lot of activities on the second floor as well. What are you doing, Chloe? Well, this is a museum in Mexico. They can see me, I can see them. Coolest museum. It takes at least a whole day. It's so much fun. Please subscribe.